So good day. Today we will be going to do our uh, part 4 of our TUP domain, the file sharing part. So here we will install our file services, and then we'll have all departments should have one public folder read and write, and domain user cannot access the other department folders. The next condition is a university the public folder where all domain users can access, read and write. So an installer folder containing applications that only administrator can access. Then folder except the computing engineering folder should contain office documents, the PPT, docs, XLS, PPT, then PDF, then etc. So five condition is computer engineering should contain all files except the executable uh, files. Then the storage quota for each folder is 1 gig. Then 5 map shared folder each client workstation. So let's start. So here we will be adding roles. Next, click natin yung file services. Next, then click lang natin ito lahat. Yan. Next, next. Yun natin dito rec administrator. Next. Select local disk. Next. Right. Natin yung next. Check natin ulit yung local disk. Then install. Oh, close. Then next is we will have to create a folder since the uh, requirements is all departments and section should have one public folder within right. So let's make a folder, go to computer, then local disk, then add new new folder. Yes. The all departments and sections. Departments and then sections. Then after that, university public folder. Wait, yun lang. Departments and sections of Bible. Mm, departments. Sections. So add nyo the our administrative department. Then let's add the uh, departments and sections until our folder. Minimize this. So for our departments and sections, we'll add this new PSE engineering program. Yes. Degree program. Then BTV program. Then last PET program. Then next, balik tayo dun sa may call this administrative department, mga ta. So like will registrar office folder directors office research and extension human resource and management office finance office supply and procurement records office library Services. So, after that, balik tayo dito. Add lang tayo dito ng folder, public, and then the installer. Installer. And next, balik tayo sa server manager. Dito tayo sa may file services. So, next is yan, tayo dyan. Tayo sa share and storage. Gagawa tayo ng provision. Provision share. Yan, provision share. Gawa natin is first the public folder. Next, next. Everyone should have access. So, apply. So, open na natin itong full control. Apply, then okay. Then next. Then, next na. Next natin. Next. Ricota. So, for only. Yeah. Nice screen. Next. Next. Then create the provision share. Close. Then another provision. The installer. Okay. Next. Then click next. Next. Shows. Wait. Add. Allow full control. Then next. Ricota. Next. Integrate. Then another provision share. My storage and provision share. Oh, department. So Next. Then next. Ano dito? Add. Include the computer. Wait. Object types. Computer. And add to add the computer. Oh my god. Add there. Nakalagay sa computer natin. Click tayo dun. Cancel natin. Cancel. Okay na natin yan. Then next. Then add, add, apply quota. Add, add, next. Great. So let's do our next is the computer software. Next. Next. Then next. Mission. Yes. Okay. Next. 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 Apply quota. Next. 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 Great. Revisions yun naman. Ulit. Next. Next. Admissions. Next is check natin to. Next. Missions. Ayan. Next. Next. Last. Rose. PTB din. Natin yung ginawa natin ang una. Next. Next. Apply quota. Next, 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 next. Great. Great. I'm not sure. Ano pala eh. So that's it for our uh, file sharing for our sharing. So next we'll do the wait, we'll do the by remote desktop on all workshop if applicable. So stay tuned guys. Thank you.